Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your daily designer and today I'm excited to walk you through wireframes, an essential step in the UI/UX design process. In this video, we will cover 5 topics: what wireframes are, why they are important, types of wireframes, how to create them in Figma if you don't know, best practices to keep them in mind. So if you're looking to improve your design workflow, stay tuned here. Don't go anywhere. Okay, you might already know what wireframes are, but just for a revision, I'll let you know. Wireframes are the blueprint of a digital product. They are type of a blueprint like how we have for construction sites. It's just for our digital product, we have a blueprint. So they help define the structure, layout, and functionality of each pages. And let's move forward fastly. So there are 3 types of wireframes. First is low fidelity, mid fidelity, and high fidelity. Low fidelity is like basic structure, only just shapes. Mid fidelity, more refined with clear content and component placement. And high fidelity, closer to the final design, final UI, but without detailed visuals. So why wireframes are important? You know why it is important, right? Or do you need to tell me? So I'll help, okay? So wireframes help in visualizing the user journey early. We identify usability issues before we give high cost design changes, right? Okay, so let's move forward. Let's jump directly into Figma and create a wireframe. That's the main thing we are doing here. And yeah, for references, I have this file, resource Figma file. I have created some wireframes for you, which is absolutely free. You can get it from my profile, which is Shalu, and I'll just drop the link also here where you can get directly the file. I have created some app homepages screens wireframe. Some 10 wireframes are there, like which are have variants of app home pages. You can get an idea from it and you can use them however you like it. So let's start how to design a wireframe, how to create a wireframe. So what's obviously what we need. It's a blank page here. What we do need is first of all a frame. So like whatever you are getting, whether it's a mobile or whether it's for desktop. So I'll go for a mobile. Okay. So I have this first screen. I'll let it name wireframe first. Okay. I have, like, before directly jumping into it, beginners, please don't directly jump into it. Every time you have a frame, just apply the layout grid first. Okay, so we will apply the grid by columns. Okay, stretch 5 columns for the mobile. I'll have the gutter of 16, 8 multiply of 8, and I'll have margin 24. So okay, so this is my first. I'm not having rows right now. If you want, you can also apply the rows here. We can, yeah, from columns you have applied, and you can apply rows from here. Okay. So I usually apply columns once. Yeah, the next, let's move forward to design it. Okay, to create. So we will add some basic shapes for a low fidelity, like rectangles, lines to define headers, footers, content sections, like that. Okay, so suppose like we will have just in low fidelity 3 sections. It's header, main content, and this photo. We have these low fidelity wireframe ready. Okay, Let's move forward to mid fidelity, and always be consistent according to the grid. Okay. And you can also write that it's a header. It's content. It's a photo. Okay, let's also have a mid fidelity wireframe where it will be by 24. There will be maybe icon here, maybe icon, search icon, some notification icon, something like that. Here we will have some text heading, which will be semi bold, and this will be 18 size. And okay, maybe we will have some sections, 1, 2, 3 and 4 sections, and down we have the footer in which we might have those icons. Five icons. Yeah. Okay, so it's like that. And for high fidelity wireframes, I'll let you go through it here. You can see these are the high fidelity wireframes. This where we have the some text. It's like proper. You have search button. This section, photo, like that. You have here in fifth wireframe. You have buttons also. So these are the high fidelity wireframes. It's like this one. Descriptions. There will be categories. It's for different types of apps. You have different type of wireframes. So when creating wireframes, you just need to remember to keep it simple. Avoid unnecessary details at this stage because it is going to be added in the final designs, right? Focus on functionality because that's the main part where we are going for the wireframes. Prioritizing the flows and interaction. Be consistent about using a grid to maintain the alignment. Okay. So that's a quick overview of wireframes and how to create them in Figma. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more UI UX tips. Comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Figma tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye.